Welcome back, dears. How are you all today? Yes, I hope all of you fine, and you should take healthy foods only. Okay, and very happy New Year for you. This is the first class in this year, so you should be enjoy and active. Are you ready? Yes. Let's go to our lesson. Before that, this is your warm up session. Okay. See this image. Yeah, there is some color and letters, right? Words. Okay. Say the color of each word. Don't read the word. How fast can you say it? Which means you have to read the color's name, not a word. For the example, there is first word is black, but you should not read black. Okay, that is red. Red, black, green, blue, yellow, red. Blue, yellow, black, red, green, and black. Okay, so you have to say continuously and fastly. Try it. Okay, you just pause this video or take a screenshot. You have to do it and take a voice record, send it to WhatsApp group. Okay, very good. Every classes we seeing what is this about a scientist. Okay, but today for the changes we will learn a new thing. Okay, dears, why you have a name for identification? Yes, some of them have nicknames, some of them don't have the nickname, but everyone have a common name, right? Yes. Likewise, all living organisms and products of living organisms have a own name. That is called scientific name. Okay, botanical name. What is this? Onion. Yes, the scientific name of onion is Allium sheepa. What? Yes, Allium sheepa. All of you say? Yes, Allium sheepa. So hereafter don't say onion. What is? That is Allium sheepa. Okay, and you have to share with your friends and neighbors. Okay, super dears. Let's go to our lesson. Okay, dears. How people are move one place to another place? Is through vehicles like car, bus, cycle, bike, super. Walk also. Okay. How we call this? That common name. How we call this vehicles? Okay. Then yes, transport. Okay. Transport means it helps to carry something or movement. Okay, that is called transport. Right? Can you guess which topic we will learn today? Transport. Yes, good, but transport in our body. Wow, what a interesting. Are you ready? Yes, this is your science chapter 11, transportation in plants and animals. Superb, yes. In this chapter, what are the things we will learn? Wait, listen here. Living things, both plants and animals, including man, need a transport system. What is this transport system? Can you guess? Yes, our internal organs. Superb. Why plants and animals need a transport system? Yes, we need transport when two cells are far from each other. Materials needed to be moved from one place to another place. Okay, dears. After eating, where does the food go? Is into our digestive system. So the digesting process is there. After the energy, how it's transferred to our body? Yeah, through the transportations. Okay, so transport is must in our animals or body, human bodies. Okay, what are the important organs of the human body? Yes, 9 organs. What are they? Brain, lungs, heart, kidney, liver, stomach, intestines, bladder. These are internal organs. Okay. What are the different systems of our body? Yes, cardiovascular system, endocrine system, digestive system, respiratory, excretory, lymphatic, nerves, muscular, and skeleton. Already we discussed about skeleton, digestive, excretory, respiratory. Okay. Yes. So these systems are being in your body. Okay. Cardiovascular system, endocrine, digestive, respiratory, excretory, lymphatic, nerves, muscular, and skeleton. Don't forget this. Okay. So transportation in animals. All organisms need food, water, and oxygen for survival. You know well. So they need to transport all this. What we take, we need to transport in our whole body. Okay. Who do this? Yes, our internal organs. Wastage is also to be transported. The system carrying on this function is called circulatory system. What? Circulatory. Okay. It consists of blood vessels and heart. What is circulatory system? Yes. What is circulatory system? The organ system of the body that is responsible for the transport of material throughout the body called circulatory system. What are the materials transported? Can you guess? What are the materials transported? Yes, nutrients. What do you take for the example through the food? We take vitamins, minerals, like that. These are nutrients. So the nutrients can be transport. Okay, transport. So nutrient, then through our respiration. Yes, oxygen, carbon dioxide. Okay, and also cells. So these things are transported in our body. What are the nutrients, oxygens, carbon dioxide, cell? Okay. So we know that all living organisms like plants and animals need food, oxygen and water so that they can survive. Without this we can't live. Okay. These elements need to be delivered to their body parts so that they can function properly. So what are the parts are in our circulatory system? What are the parts participate in our circulatory system? Any ideas? Yes, from our blood. Okay, through our blood vessels, heart. Firstly, blood. What is blood? Yeah, blood is a red color liquid. Okay, red color fluid that flows in our body through the blood vessels. We know that only, right? What is blood? Yeah, blood is in red color, ma'am. Then it is a liquid, ma'am. It flow from the what is it through the blood vessels, ma'am. Yeah, we know that much only. Okay, but today we learn more things about the blood. Are you ready? Super. Our blood also having some parts. Okay, that is components of food. Sorry, blood. Sorry, what is components of food? Yes, carbohydrate, vitamins, minerals, fat, protein, like that. Okay. Likewise, the blood also having some parts. Blood can perform several functions because of a different substance present in it. Blood plasma, red blood cells, white blood cells, blood platelets. Okay, what are they? Blood plasma, red blood cells, that is called erythrocytes. Erythrocytes, okay. White blood cells, leukocytes. Blood platelets. RBC, WBC, blood plasma and blood platelets. Okay. What are the functions of blood? How it helps to us? Is various functions of blood are it transports substance like digested food from the small intestine to other parts of the body. Already we discussed this in chapter 2, right? Yes, digestion in animals, right? Yes. How after digestion, the nutrients goes from the small intestines through the blood vessels. It has a name. What? Already we say that I said that. Yes, Willis. Okay, Willy, Villi, Willy. Yes. It carries water to all the parts of the body. Yes. It carries oxygen and carbon dioxide during respiration, circulations. Okay. It carries waste products like urea from liver to kidney for excretion in urine. It protects the body from disease because of yes, WBC, white blood cells. Okay. Super. So firstly, plasma. Plasma. Plasma is liquid part of blood. Okay. Plasma is the liquid component of the blood in which most of the blood cells are suspended. It is mostly made up of water. Up to 95% of water, it is plasma, and contains dissolved nutrients, carbon dioxide and oxygen. Okay. Next one, red blood cells. Who give the red color to blood? Is hemoglobin. Yeah, that is RBC, red blood cells. Red blood cells. What is the another name of RBC? What? Is erythrocytes. Okay. Or red blood cells present in the blood are responsible for the transport of oxygen throughout the body. What is the function of RBC? Is transport of oxygen throughout the body. Okay. They contain a red pigment is called hemoglobin, which binds with the oxygen. Okay. Hemoglobin, hydrogen plus oxygen can make a hemoglobin. Okay. So there is some oxygen. The reddish color of the blood is due to hemoglobin. Okay. Okay, dears. What is our blood groups? Yeah, some of them have A positive, A negative, B positive, O positive, O negative, AB positive, AB negative, like that. So why should we know about our blood group? Why should we know about that? Yes, they are more. The importance of knowing your blood is prevent the risk of your receiving an incompatible blood type at a time of need. Okay, such as during a blood transfusion or during surgery. For the example, if we met any accident, unfortunately, so we loss of lot of blood loss from our body. So we need more blood. That's why that time we need to take a same blood group. So if you know your blood group, that is helps to that time. Okay, so we should know our blood group. What is blood group? As a human, we are all having blood, same red color blood. But why we can classify this types of blood groups? Yeah, through some antibodies and antigens in our blood. Okay, the ABO blood groups system consists of four types of blood group: A, B, AB, and O. This is called ABO blood group. Okay. It is mainly based on the antigens and antibodies on red blood cells and in the plasma. Okay, red blood cells, it's present in our red blood cells. So through this, we can identify which type of blood group is us. Okay, see this. Firstly, group A, who are all having group A? They have contains antigen A and antibody B. Okay, so which antigen we have, that is group of our blood group, contains A antigen and antibody B. If you are a group B means you contains antigen B and antibody A. If you have a group A, B contains both A and B antigen and no antibodies. Okay, there is no antibodies but antigen is A and B. If you are a group O, contains neither A nor B antigen and both antibodies A and B. So there is A and B antigen, then antibodies A and B. Okay. So this is types of blood groups. See this ABO blood group system. First only group AO. Yes, red blood cell type is group A. So here antigen, antibodies B, antigens is A. Okay. In group B, antibodies is A, Antigen is B. So which one is denoted the blood group? Yeah, antigen. Then group AB and no antibodies and antigen is A and B. In group O, there is no antibodies. That's why that is 0 O. Okay. Then antibodies is A and B. Okay. Then ideas, what is Bombay Blade? Yeah, we know that from the movies, right? In some movies we can hear this word, Bombay Blade. Okay, this is one of the rare blade. Most of people's comes ABO blood group only. Um, but the Bombay Blade is very rare one. Okay, rare. Bombay blood don't have any antigens, okay, but it has the antibodies. So why I put here H? What is determine the H? Yes, that is positive or negative. Okay, my blood group is O positive. Some of them have O negative. So the H means that is serum. If it present in antigen means that is positive. Okay, AH antigens, antibodies B. BH antigens, antibodies A. AB blood group, ABH antigens and no antibody. In O group, H antigens, which means that is O positive. Okay, and antibody is AB. In Bombay blood group, there is no antigens and they have A, B and H. Okay, this is one type of O blood group. Okay, O, Bombay blood O group. Bombay O blood. Okay. So, it is very rather one. Then, people's one of lacks this ratio only having this blood group. Okay. See this image. Who is he? Can you guess? You don't know. Yes. He is Coral Landsteiner. Okay. Australian scientist. He discovered the ABO blood group system. Just now we discussed. No. Yeah. He only discovered that in 19th century. Okay. Who is he? Yes. Coral Landsteiner. Coral Landsteiner. Okay. And just a information. You just listen. You have to note it. Okay. Yes. In our India, how many of people have A type of blood group? Okay. 23.16 percentage. Okay. B blood group means which is 34.10 percentage. O group 34.56 percentage. Okay. AB 8.187 18 percentage. Okay. Commonly O positive group is compared with other groups, it's high. Okay. And one more thing, O positive blood groups are called universal donor. Okay, because we can donate the blood to all groups. So that is called, that's why we are called universal donor. Okay. Okay, next components is white blood cells. Okay, what? WBC, white blood cells. What is this? Yes, fight and kill germs that may enter your bloodstreams. It helps to make a immunity power to us. Okay, what is this? White blood cells. The blood contains white blood cells which are part of the immune system. They are like soldiers which fight and kill germs that may enter the body. If your WBC level is decreased means we can affect more disease. For the example, that is dengue fever. Yeah, if you affect the dengue fever means firstly it's reduce your WBC level. So your immunity is going to down. That's why we affect more other disease. So we are going to die. Okay, so we need to protect our WBC through the healthy foods. Okay. Yeah, these are some types of white WBC: monocyte, eosinophil, basophil, lymphocytes, and neutrophil. Next, platelets. Okay, dears. If you have any fractures or any cracks in your body, what will happen? Yeah, some come up from your body. If you get a Defraction. What will happen? Yeah, the blood flowing is continuously comes from our body. So, how it is stopped? Is it is clotting. Okay. So, who helps to the blood clotting? Yes, the part blood platelets. Okay, our blood have the platelets. It helps to yes clotting, blood clotting. Okay, platelets are the smallest cells in the blood. By clumping together, they form a blood clot, preventing loss of blood due to bleeding. They prevent excessive damage to the blood vessels by binding together at the site of damage. Tiny dish-shaped cells, it's the smallest one that help regulate blood flow when any part of the body is damaged, thereby aiding a fast recovery through the clotting of blood. If there is no clotting, means what will happen? Yeah, our body blood flowing is continuously, so we lost our body blood. So clotting is very important one. Which one? Which vitamin helps to blood clot? Can you remember? Yes, vitamin K. Okay. Then the above state elements form of composition of blood in humans. The only vertebrate without hemoglobin is the crocodile fish. It derives its oxygen requirement directly from the cold oxygen rich water where it is lives. So platelet is important one because it helps to our blood clotting. See this is our whole blood. What are this is a small mind map. Okay, what are the components is there? Yes, plasma. What is this? Yes, element. What are they? Leukocytes means WBC. Okay. This is platelets. This is red blood RBC. Yes, plasma comes the plasma. Comes under the plasma. Amino acids, nutrients, proteins, nitrogenous, electrolytes, gases. Okay. Proteins means that is albumins, fibrinogen, globulins. From leukocyte, granulocyte and agranulocyte. Okay. Just now we discussed no neutrophils, basophils, eosinophils, lymphocytes, monocytes. These are comes under the WBC. Okay. Yes. See this. This is our blood. First layer is plasma. 50 percentage of 50% of plasma in our whole blood. Next code Buffy code, that is leukocytes and platelets. Leukocytes means that is WBC. It's less than 1% only present in our blood. Okay, but plasma is 55%. Less than 1%. Erythrocytes is 45% of total blood. Okay, when your hemoglobin level is decrease in your blood, you get severe anemia. Okay, leukemia, anemia. Yes. So you need to take more iron food like moringa, pomegranate, dates, okay, moringa. Next part is blood vessels. Blood vessels are tubes that carry blood all over the body. How the waters flow into our home? In our home, yeah, through the water pipe. Likewise, in our body have some pipes that is called blood vessels. Okay, blood vessels are tubes that carry blood all over the body. What are the blood vessels? Is arteries, veins, and capillaries. Three types of blood vessels, or collectively called as blood vessels. What are they? Arteries, veins, and capillaries. How it is? What is the work of the three blood vessels? Okay. See this. There are different types of blood vessels in our body, each carrying out specialized functions. Have you thought what are the functions made? It can be do that. Yes, nutrition, transportation, then oxygen, carbon dioxide. Yes. So through these vessels, our blood can circulate in our whole body. Okay. See this. This is artery. This is vein. Why it has in blue and red color? This is vein. This is artery. You just think Later I will tell. Okay. So firstly, arteries. Arteries are strong tubes and muscular in nature. These blood vessels carry oxygen rich blood from the heart, which means it carry the oxygen rich blood from the heart to all tissues. Okay. So which means that is oxygenated blood. That's why the blood has the oxygenated blood. Then aorta is one of the main arteries that arise from the heart and branches further. Now can you say why the artery is in red color? Yes, very good, because this is oxygenated blood. Our blood is basically blue color. When it is get oxygenated, it's change their color because of iron. Okay, hemoglobin. So that's why that is in red color. Next, veins. Veins are elastic blood vessels which carry deoxygenated blood from all parts of the body to the heart. And exception is the umbilical and pulmonary veins. What is this pulmonary veins? Pulmonary means that is our lungs, nothing. Okay, it's nothing but that is our lungs. The pulmonary veins carries oxygenated blood to the heart from the lungs, and umbilical vein carries oxygenated blood from the placenta to the fetus, which means veins carry the oxygenated blood, deoxygenated blood from all parts. Okay, that's why it's in blue color. So it's going to the heart. So there is the circulation is it could be change their color. Okay. Next one, capillaries. On reaching tissues, arteries branch further into extremely thin tubes called capillaries. Capillaries bring about the exchange of substances between blood and tissues. Okay. See this image? Yeah, this is veins. This is artery, red color pipes. This is veins. Okay. So some interesting fact, listen. The average adult has somewhere between 30 to 40 trillion cells. As an estimated 242 million new cells are produced every day. When a select of group of cells with similar functions comes together, it forms a tissue. Tissues accumulate into organ systems, and eventually and individually organisms, which means lot of cells can make a tissues. Lots of tissues can make a organs. Lot of organs can make a organ system. Lot of organ system is make a organism, right? Yes, our body also made up of lot of cells, tissues, organs. Okay, so these small things are make a bunch of group. It make a whole body, whole organisms, not only as the human being, every living organisms. Okay. So what are the parts we discussed till now? Is blood and blood vessels. Next one is heart. What is heart? Yeah, this is engine of life. When it's get damaged, we are going to die, right? Yes, it's always active, it always working. So you also should be like a heart. Okay, super, very good. So how the blood circulations being in heart, types of circulations. Already we say that pulmonary circulations and systemic circulation. What is pulmonary? Pulmonary means is the portion of circulation responsible for carrying deoxygenated blood away from the heart to the lungs and brings oxygenated blood back to the heart. So, which vessels doing this? Veins is because it's carrying the oxygenated blood away from the heart and goes to the lungs. What will happen there? Yeah, the blood is get the oxygenated. Okay, after it comes to heart. Systematic circulation. Here is another portion of circulation where the oxygenated blood is pumped from the heart to every organs and tissues in the body, and deoxygenated blood comes back again to the heart. Heart is a muscular organ in animals that pumps blood through the blood vessels to all the parts of the body. The heart consists of four chambers that prevent the oxygenated and deoxygenated blood from mixing. The upper chambers are called as atria, okay, atria, and the lower chambers are called ventricles. The upper chambers is called atria, okay, artery, and lower chambers is ventricles. See this. This is image of heart. Yeah, yes, nearly 19 parts is here. If you want to know that, you just read this here. Okay. So arterium and ventricles. Okay. See this. These are ventricles. 10. These are arteries. Okay. This is circulation of blood. How blood circulate in our body. Firstly, is the blood goes to upper body. Oxygenated blood to upper body, that is heart. Okay. Deoxygenated blood. Deoxygenated blood from upper body here. It goes to the heart. Then the deoxygenated blood going to lungs. Okay. Then after the oxygenated body, blood to upper body, it goes to from the heart. Oxygenated blood from lungs. Okay, then oxygenated blood from lungs. This is blue color is deoxygenated and red color is oxygenated. Deoxygenated blood from lower body. This is oxygenated blood from to lower body. It's released and it goes to heart. Okay. This is whole circulation of blood, circulatory system. Next one, excretory. If you want, if you must remove our wastages, that is one of the circulations. Okay. So the process of removal of wastages produced in the living cells is called excretion. Excretory system in humans contain pair of kidneys, ureters, urinary bladder, and urethra. Okay. So what is excretion system? The process of removal of waste products from the cells of living organism is called excretion. For human beings, the waste products are in the form of carbon dioxide, urine, and feces. Okay. How the kidney function? What is the function of kidney? Working. Our body's main excretory organ is kidney. Okay. There is a pair of kidney present on either side of spine. Each kidney is a bean-shaped organ, reddish in color. It contains millions of tiny tubules that act as microscopic filters and filter out the useful and harmful substances from their blood. The useful substances are again reabsorbed back into the blood and only harmful substances are concentrated. These harmful substances are present in a dissolved state in water and now it is called a urine. Urine excreted out the body. The kidneys acts as filters of our body and it has ammonia, urea. Okay. So this is kidney present in located in our body. See this is esophagus, hepatic veins, yeah, inferior vena, adrenal gland, renal artery, renal hilus, renal vein, aorta, kidney, ureter, then iliac crest, rectum, uterus, urinary bladder, urethra. Okay. So this is inner side of kidney. How it is look like? Yeah, like a bean shape. Okay. Then what is the mechanism of excretory? When blood reaches to the kidneys, the nephrons present in the kidney filter the blood. So the blood having some unwanted things. So through the kidneys, it can filter. Okay. The useful substances are absorbed back into the blood and the wastages dissolved in water and removed as the urine. From the kidneys, the urine goes into the urinary bladder through ureters. It is stored in the bladder and is passed out through urethra. It is urine tube. Okay. Next, transportation in plant. Okay, how the transport occurred in human and animals. Likewise, the plant also having the transportation. Okay, what are the present parts present in plant? Root, major parts only. Root, stem, leaf, yeah, fruit, vegetables, sorry, fruits, unripe fruits. Okay, yes. So, what is the function of root? Yeah, absorb water, nutrition from the soil. Function of leaf is food products, food preparation. Okay, then flowers. Flowers are reproduction parts. Then what about stem? It's look like a, yeah, transport. Okay, it's one of the transport because it's transport the water and food to another parts. Okay, so transport of substances in plants, transport of water and animals, sorry, water and minerals. Plant absorb water and minerals by roots through root hairs. Okay, root has some small root particles. No, that is root hair. Okay, plants have pipe-like vessels to transport water and nutrients. It's look like a straw. Yes, a tissue is a group of cells that perform specialized function in an organism. Xylem for transport of water and nutrients, while phloem for transport of food. Okay, so two parts, one is xylem, another one is phloem. Okay, xylem and phloem together from vascular tissue. See this transportation, what is this? Yes, food processed, evaporation, transpiration. Okay, transpirations, water, not a food process, this is transpiration, which means the water, excess water leave from the leaf. Okay, so root, water absorbed from root, it goes to stem. Stem transfer the water to another parts, is going to stomata and it evaporate. So the water drops are leave. Okay. So what is transpiration? The evaporation of water through the stomata present on the surface of leaf is called transpiration. Transpiration generates a suction pull which can pull water to great heights in the tall trees. It causes cooling effect in plant. Yeah, see this is vascular tissue. Sorry, in inner part of stem. Okay, plant. This is root hair, inner cellular space, passage cell, endodermis, sieve tubes of phloem, then perisia. Okay. So how it transport? Plants take up water and dissolve minerals from the soil through the hair roots and transport into the leaves. The leaves use this water and minerals for synthesizing their food by the process called photosynthesis. The food produced by green plants is transported back to all the plants parts of plant body. Therefore, it is clear that plants also need a transport system for carrying water, minerals and food to various parts of their body. You just imagine if the stem is not there. Okay. What about grass? There is no stem, right? Yes. The leaves also look like a stem. Okay. So through this, the water can transport. So like our nerves, like our blood vessels. Okay. Likewise, the xylem and phloem. What is root hairs? Root hairs are elongated extensions of the roots that are comparable to hairs on animals. They increase the surface area for increased exchange of water and minerals. Next, phloem. What is the function of phloem? Yes, it's transfer the water to all parts. Okay. Phloem is the plant tissue that transport the soluble organic material created during photosynthesis from the leaves to other parts of plant. Sorry, this phloem. Okay, phloem, or what is the function of phloem? It's transport the starch, like food nutrients. Okay, it's transport the nutrients, starch, to the another parts of plant. That is phloem. Xylem means it's transport the water and other nutrients from the roots to other plants. Which means xylem means it's take a nutrients from root. Okay, phloem means it's take a from leaves. Can you clear? Yes. Okay, dears, the session is over. So, what are the things we learned from this today's session? Is transportation of animals and plants. Firstly, animals. What are the parts helps to our transportation? Is circulatory system, that is blood vessels, heart. Under the blood, what are the things comes? Is RBC, WBC, plasma, and blood platelets. Okay, then blood vessels, arteries, uh, veins and capillaries. Okay, heart is four upper two arteries, articles and ventricles. Okay, so then above excretory system is in plants. Two parts helps to the transportation. One is xylem and another one is phloem. Okay, if you have any doubt, please call me. And your online class will be after 3 o'clock. Everyone should attend the online class without fail. Okay, and also do your book work. And your warm up session, no? Yeah, give a passage color. You want to read the color. Yeah, you have to read and send into WhatsApp group. Okay, thank you so much, dears.